Today I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS to your Drupal site using a custom block. While the best solution is to fix these issues directly in the theme layer with code, using a custom block is a great fallback when that's not an option. I'll be demonstrating this on the Umami demo site, but keep in mind that your site might be highly customized, so your block types, user roles and permissions could be different. To start, make sure you're logged in as an admin user with the right permissions to create and manage blocks. This is important because you'll need to access certain settings that regular users might not have access to. Next, we're going to go to the structure menu and then block types. Here you'll see a list of block types available on your site. In this demo, we're using the basic block type, which is available in the Umami demo site. This type of block allows us to add a title and some custom content, which includes HTML and CSS. So if your site is customized, you might see different block types here. Now let's create a custom block. Go to the content menu, click on blocks, and then add custom block. From the list, choose basic block. In the block description field, let's type something descriptive like custom CSS. This will help you identify this block later if you need to edit it. Now in the body field, it's important to change the text format to full HTML. This setting allows us to add custom HTML and CSS. If you forget to do this, your CSS won't be applied correctly. Next, click on the source button to switch to the HTML source view. Here you can directly paste in our CSS code. This snippet of simple CSS will add a 2 pixel wide blue border around your site's logo. It's just a small example to demonstrate how you can use custom CSS in your blocks to make visual tweaks. After saving, you'll be taken to the configure block page. To ensure that the custom block's title is not displayed on the page, uncheck the display title checkbox. Here you can choose where to place the block. In this case, let's put it in the pre-header region. This ensures that the CSS is applied site-wide. And finally, let's go back to see our changes. As you can see, the blue border has been added to the site logo. This demonstrates how you can use custom CSS in a block to make simple visual adjustments to your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Using custom blocks for CSS can be a real lifesaver. If you'd like to learn more about managing and building with Drupal, feel free to check out my other videos. And if this tutorial was useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. You can leave a comment if you have any questions or share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.